Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn and Have Fun. In previous video, we have shown you the diffraction of light by human hair. Diffraction of light is a proof that light possesses wave character. Just like ripple waves in water or sound waves in air, light waves also interfere constructively and destructively. The constructive and destructive interference produces bright and dark bands respectively on a screen. In this video, we will show you diffraction of light through a narrow slit formed by edges of razor blades. This activity will give you more insight about the wave nature of light. Take a potato and cut it into two halves. Fix two razor blades on the potato's half. Do this step carefully as the edges of blades are very sharp. Now, put this setup in a dark background. Adjust the potato half so that a narrow slit is formed by the razor blades. The gap between the razor blades is much smaller than 1 mm. Pass the laser beam through the slit. A diffraction pattern can be seen on the screen. The diffraction pattern can be identified by alternate bright and dark bands. The intensity of bright bands keeps on decreasing with distance from the central bright spot. The laser beam on arriving at the slit illuminates it uniformly. After crossing the slit, the light propagates in all directions. That is, the slit becomes the source of smaller light waves known as wavelets. These wavelets interfere constructively and destructively, producing bright and dark bands on the screen. At a point on the screen where light waves arrive in phase, constructive interference takes place and this led to a bright spot on the screen. Similarly, at a point on the screen where light waves arrive out of phase, destructive interference takes place and this led to a dark spot on the screen. Destructive interference means two light waves cancel each other's intensity and resultant light intensity is 0. That is a perfect dark spot. Now observe this carefully. We are moving the laser beam across the width of the razor blade. No pattern is observed when beam is totally blocked by the blades. Move the setup closely so that laser beam comes out through the slit. Observe that diffraction pattern is visible when light is passing through the slit formed by the edges of razor blades. Diffraction pattern is also observed when light falls on the edges of the blade. The gap between the alternative bright band is known as fringe width. The fringe width depends upon the size of the slit. Now, we will change the gap of the slit. When we decreases the gap between the slit, the size of the fringe width increases. Please note that we are doing this experiment without any sophisticated instruments. The whole setup is arranged and controlled manually. The clips finally added to this videos are the ones in which we obtain good diffraction pattern. Diffraction pattern can also be observed through glass edges, comb and through human hair. Watch the rest of the video and have fun. This is our attempt to explain you the concept of diffraction and wave nature of light. Hope you like our effort to make science a fun subject. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching our channel Learn and Have Fun. Don't forget to watch our recently uploaded videos.